Hello friends, this is Ms. Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant. And today I am going to demonstrate an experiment that you can do with your children when teaching them about cleaning things. Today we're going to clean pennies. So I found two of the dirtiest pennies I can find. I already put one in this jar. It has vinegar and salt in it. So I'm just going to let that sit in here. And we're going to see if these cleaning suggestions actually work. So I found them on the internet saying that if you want to clean pennies, one suggestion is using vinegar and salt and the other is ketchup. So I'm going to try both of them. And you can do this at home with your kids as well to see which one cleans the pennies better. So as that is sitting in here, I am going to try to clean this penny with ketchup. So this should be interesting. So I'm gonna rub the ketchup on both sides. I mean, this is taking some of it off. Maybe if I rub a little harder? All right. I don't know, what do you think? All right, so let's see how the vinegar and salt is doing. This one is very dirty. I think I got it. Ooh, fell again. All right, so I'm gonna rub this. As you can see in this one too, the dirt came off a little bit, but it still needs a lot of work in cleaning. So I gave you two suggestions on what you can use to try to clean pennies. Other things that I saw were Coke, lemon juice, and those are the two others I can think of off the top of my head. So you can try to see if you can use Coke, lemon juice, ketchup, and vinegar and salt to see which works the best. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Bye.